This is India AI Impact Summit 2026, and we are going to see a lot of demos around AI at Mastercard and what they have launched for LLM security and agentic commerce. So let's go. I have with me Gautam, who is the president of South Asia Mastercard. Start with the first question. It's more around
India being a country with the 100% tokenized card transactions.
So I think, is that the reason that Mastercard is launching agentic commerce in India and taking it globally from here?
I won't say it's a reason, but clearly the fact that we have 100% tokenization in this country, and with everything that we've done around passkeys and all recently, they're the right foundations for agentic commerce to happen in any ecosystem. So I don't know whether when the regulators wanted tokenization to happen and when we ended up doing tokenization, the vision was necessarily not there to get into agentic commerce 5-6 years ago. But I think it is, they say, right, in Hindi, things have to come along. The stars have to align. I think everything aligned, and then AI took off in the last few years and agentic commerce was becoming a thing, and it just became the foundation for us to build on.
A lot of viewers might not be aware of what agentic commerce is and how does a transaction go through. So if you can just brief them about how would a transaction go through, maybe right now or maybe 2 years down the line.
Sure. See, listen, firstly, I want to say it's all at a very early stage, right? How it will evolve, it's anybody's guess, right?
Yeah.
The way we are seeing this at Mastercard is today, when you're doing any kind of a transaction, whether it is a commerce transaction, buying a piece of cloth, whether it's something that you're trying to buy through your favorite food dining app that you're trying to, buy some food, or whether it is bill payment. Today, you have various apps. You authenticate yourself in these various apps.
Yeah.
You go sign in, you put your credential in, your credential could be saved on your phone. Then you go do the manual process of doing the transaction that you want to do. So if you want to order Chinese food, you go to your favorite, food delivery app, you look for the Chinese restaurant you want the food to be delivered from, you type in what you need, you enter the details, and then you go through the payment journey. Now, all of this is actually an interaction that you do through an app, and it's time consuming, it's manual in nature. What agentic commerce will enable you to do, you could use conversational sort of commerce. That's another word I use for this, where it's ChatGPT, what we demoed it on, but you could use any sort of conversational sort of platform where you could go in and these merchants, I'm calling them merchants right now, but you could actually do a conversation with them and make the manual flows that you were doing to be more automated. So you don't have to necessarily enter all the details manually that you're entering. So you don't have to enter your credentials because this is a trusted agent that is working on your behalf. And so you can actually, what we demoed today and what we will demo in the next few hours also is, you could go to the ChatGPT and say, okay, hey, I want to order a slice of pizza from Domino's, and it'll show you the pizzas that you want to order. You could actually pick the pizza you want and without having to, log into the Domino's website, and then you'll say pay, and it will pick up your credential that is already stored in your ChatGPT platform or whatever platform that you're using for that matter, and you just pay for it, right?
What is the one message that you feel that Mastercard is giving to the global leaders from this stage here in India?
Firstly, today, India, when it comes to technology and I would say AI today, is not a follower or a fast follower. We are an innovator today.
Yeah.
So the world should see India as an innovator of technology and innovator of AI. The world should also see that India is potentially more focused on AI around use cases, enabling use cases, maybe not necessarily investing in LLM and the the 5 stack that people talk about, 5-layer stack in AI that people talk about, the chips. Maybe India is not there quite today, but when it comes to use cases and enabling for use cases and use cases at scale, India will probably show the world where we need to be. For me, it's trust at the core of it. Has to be a premise of AI that is powered by Mastercard. So trust is the almost the center of everything that we do.
Yeah.
And for me, trusted agentic commerce powered by Mastercard is how the world should see Mastercard, going forward.
So I have with me Nitendra, who leads the AI Garage at Mastercard, and I'm super excited to talk to him and understand what exactly AI Garage is, who it is for, and what are some of the exciting projects you have been doing here.
So AI Garage is a division within Mastercard, which focuses on building AI-based products for our customers and clients. Now in payments, bad things may happen. There could be a transaction, which may be a fraudulent transaction, which I didn't do, someone else is doing on my behalf. So there are AI algorithms that every time you do a transaction, and there are a lot of them, more than 160 billion transactions is what we process.
Wow.
So every year. So every transaction goes through an AI algorithm which figures out, should I let this transaction go through or should I block it? Does it look bad? Forget about transactions. Is this card perhaps something that has been sold on the dark web? So let me block the card and ask a bank to reissue the card rather than let that card be there and other people will do more bad transactions. Yeah. How did the card reach the dark web? Maybe there is a merchant who's just set up a shop selling everything for 50% discount, 80% discount. They siphon all the cards and they vanish in a matter of a week. And then they'll sell all those cards on the dark web. So an AI algorithm can detect that this website looks suspicious, this merchant looks suspicious. So let me block that merchant so that the card does not go on the dark web. So that if the card doesn't go on the dark web, you won't have a transaction failing. So all of that is using AI globally to secure that entire ecosystem. And who's doing that? A lot of folks from AI Garage at Mastercards.
We understood what agentic commerce is, what is LLM security, and what is Mastercard doing. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, doubts regarding payment infrastructure or Mastercard. I'll be more than happy to take those. See you in another one. Till then, all the best, good luck, and bye.